Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. If you tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined and you are going to get arrested. And you are responsible for endangering the public in a fire emergency if you tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. So, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Don't pull them for fun, don't unscrew them, don't paint them, don't do any of that. That is not good. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. So don't do that. If you want to mess around with your own alarm, that is totally fine, but if you are messing around with an alarm in a public building, that is not okay at all. So do not do that. You could go to jail if you mess with fire alarms in public buildings. Yep, that's true. Only do it with yours. Even if you are going to someone else's house and you are tampering with their fire alarms, that is still very bad, but it's worse if you are doing it in a public building. But if it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Only do it with yours only. Bye.